Millions of sperm are deposited into the vagina during intercourse. Sperm navigate through the cervix, uterus, and into the fallopian tubes. Uterine contractions and cervical mucus facilitate sperm movement. The reproductive system includes the vagina, cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes. Ovulation involves the release of a mature ovum from the ovary. The released ovum enters the fimbriae of the fallopian tube. Ciliary movement within the fallopian tube assists the ovum's travel. Fertilization occurs when a sperm penetrates the ovum in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The zona pellucida reaction prevents additional sperm from entering the ovum. The nuclei of the sperm and ovum fuse, creating a diploid cell known as the zygote. The blastocyst enters the uterus and attaches to the endometrial lining, initiating implantation. The trophoblast differentiates into cytotrophoblast and syncytiotrophoblast layers. HCG secretion begins, and vascular connections start forming, establishing nutrient supply. Amniotic fluid, chorionic villi, and maternal fetal circulation facilitate nutrient and waste exchange. Maternal and fetal bloodstreams remain separate, ensuring no direct mixing of blood. The placenta plays a vital role in fetal development by facilitating the exchange of essential substances. The fetus assumes a vertex position, with the head positioned downwards in preparation for birth. During early labor, the cervix undergoes softening and dilation to facilitate the passage of the fetus. The full womb anatomy reveals the fetus in its final position, ready for delivery.